This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Penny Klein. Need a little room to stretch out? Need room for the horses? Need chickens for your own egg business? This has it a lot of country living. Custom built home with lots of added amenities while they have lived there. Sellers have recently installed wood-look laminate and beautiful carpeting after they painted throughout. Before that, they took out a few of the dated kitchen hang-down cabinets along with half of a wall to make entertaining easier and installed granite and quartz countertops. Never wanting to have a dull moment, they updated both bathrooms, making the houusinse transformation complete. They then started outside and added an above-ground swimming pool along with building a wooden deck that encompasses part of the sparkling water. A flat-to-the-ground stop shelter will help keep everyone safe with the Okie storms. Beyond the pool, a walkway leads to a 72 by 36 metal shed with partial concrete flooring. The engine/motor lift stays with the property at the right price. Further off you can see the 18 by 24 open shed West chicken coup. Every farm kid would love to have a grain bin. At the very back of the property there are a 46 by 60 barn that has an open end that is perfect for the 3-horse stalls. We can find a tack room anyone's getaway. Don't miss out on the opportunity to live less than 8 minutes from town. This is truly the best of both worlds. For more information.